This video will show you how you can send messages via Fixflo on both the Contractor app and the web. You can use Fixflo to send messages to the agent and the occupier who has reported the issue. Please note that in some cases, you can even send messages to other occupiers living at the property who did not report the issue. This will depend on the settings of the issue, which are set by the agent. Let's start with looking at how to send messages via the app. Once you are on the app and have clicked into an issue, simply click on this message symbol on the top right-hand corner of the screen. You can type your message in here, add any attachments if necessary, and then select who to send the message to just below. The recipient options will always depend on the settings of that specific issue. On the web, it is similar, where you will need to click into the desired issue and then click on the Comments tab. You will need to select who the message is being sent to here, type the message in here, and then add any attachments using this button. Once happy, simply click Send. This is extremely helpful to contact both tenants and agents and arrange possible appointments. Please note that if you receive a message, this will come through as an email. This comes from a no-reply@fixflo.com email address, so please do not respond to messages via this email. Instead, you will need to either log into the app or the web to respond. You can click through directly to the comment on the web from this email and reply here. Thank you for watching.